Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment we're going to cover when should I replace my tires. Okay, some of the indicators on when you should replace your tire. Anytime you see a bulge or a malfunctioning point, thick thing sticking out, some damage to the sidewall, a big gash or cut. If the tire is still holding air, that's going to be a safety issue and that should be replaced. But to determine for wear, when the tire's exceeded its wear limit, that varies from state to state. The local laws vary. In our area, it's about 3/32 of an inch. And a quick, easy way to determine that is by using a penny with the president, Abe Lincoln side upside down. If you can insert the penny into the tread and see the tip of Abe Lincoln's head, then that tire needs to be replaced. This one here, I can't see the end of his head. It still has adequate tread life. This one over here, I can clearly see the top of his head, thus indicating that the tread wear is worn out on this tire and should be replaced. A couple other things to note while you're doing that. Look for uneven wear on the tire. If the tire is worn out directly in the center of the tire, it could indicate an inflation problem, like you've got running too much air pressure. If it wears out on one side of the tire or the other side of the tire, it could indicate that you have an inflation problem, but more likely you've got suspension damage and it needs some work. So those are some of the things to consider when replacing your tires. If they wore out incorrectly before, replacing it with new tires is going to have the same wear pattern on the new tires. So you'll want to get your suspension checked out. That's how you determine when you should replace your tires.